Yummy. Look at all of that peanut butter. That's what I'm talking about. We are starting with 16 ounces, an entire jar of peanut butter. On top of that, you're gonna grab yourself 8 ounces of cream cheese. Take a moment and mix that cream cheese and that peanut butter all together till it's nice and smooth. All right, that looks perfect. Grab yourself an 8-ounce container of Cool Whip, and we're gonna plop that right in there with the cream cheese and the peanut butter. So far we only have the 16 ounces of peanut butter, then we have the 8 ounces of cream cheese, and now we're adding 8 ounces of Cool Whip, and you're just gonna continue to fold that all in until the cream cheese peanut butter mixture is mixed in with that Cool Whip. There we have it, a smooth, creamy, and here, let's give it a try. Oh my gosh. Absolutely delicious peanut butter filling. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna take our pie crust here. I have a 9-inch pie crust, and we're gonna fill this pie crust all the way up. So we'll just take the filling that we have, we'll plop it right into the pie crust. Now you guys, we have a total of 4 ingredients here. The graham cracker pie crust, then we also have, don't forget, the cream cheese, the Cool Whip, and the peanut butter for the inside. How easy is this? Anyone can do it. And I swear it's the world's best peanut butter pie with so many options. You can always add things to it and really take it up a notch if you're gonna add anything in it. I wanna hear all about it. We're just gonna keep it pretty easy here, smoothing it all over the top. Oh, that looks so good. When that sets up in the fridge, it's gonna stay nice and fluffy, and I cannot wait to sink my teeth into this. Okay, so we wanna get all of that. Let's get all of that good stuff right on there with our clean hands. We'll just smooth that right over the top. All right, yes, I love peanut butter. What kind of peanut butter are you guys gonna use? Maybe you're gonna do chunky, I don't know, tell me in the comments. Like I said, I'm just gonna keep it simple. So here I have some little mini semi-sweet chocolate chips, and I'm gonna put a nice little sprinkle of those little, I love the little guys. Look at how cute they are. I don't even know, how do they make these so tiny? Obviously you don't want them to get too hot or they might just melt all together, right? I love the little mini morsels. So I'm just gonna douse them right over the top of this tasty peanut butter pie. So that looks good for the chocolate chips, perfect. Now I have just a little bit of that peanut butter left from earlier. So if you do wanna set a little bit to the side, you can take it then and we can just drizzle it over the top. Oh, so we got the peanut butter and we've got the chocolate. That's what I'm talking about right there. Okay, so I'm gonna take this, I'm gonna pop it in the fridge, let it set up for 2 hours, and stick around because I wanna cut into it and show you how fluffy and delicious this super easy pie really is. Oh my goodness, this pie is screaming my name. I'm ready to dig right in. Hopefully I've been patient enough. I've let it sit for about, I don't know, maybe an hour and a half, and I really just want to get a good piece of this peanut butter pie. Oh gosh, it looks so creamy and so tasty. Oh yeah, it looks great. All right, I'm gonna scoop that right out of there. Probably need to invest into a pie cutter, but you know, this is working pretty well. Look at that creamy inside. That's what I'm talking about. Oh yeah. I love this. How easy. 4 ingredients, the cream cheese, the peanut butter, and I have the crust. What else? The whipped cream. That's it. All right, here we go. Phenomenal. This is such a home run. You guys, you could add anything you want to this. You could make it fancy. I don't know, maybe some Reese's peanut butter cups would be great. Are you gonna put the chocolate chips inside of it or on top? I don't know. Tell me all of your ideas, but you know what I do know is this is a 10 out of 10. This is a home run. Easy, creamy, you know, it's not too sweet, which I love that about it. Oh, it's a hit every time. I hope you guys enjoy this. I'm gonna keep scarfing this down. This is gonna be my lunch today, so don't tell the kids. All right, you guys, I hope you enjoy, and we'll see you later.